wondered how research actually makes a difference in the real world? That's what knowledge mobilization is all about. Knowledge mobilization, sometimes shortened to KMB, is the process of moving research into policy, practice, and everyday decision-making. It's about getting research out of the lab or journal and into the hands of people who can use it, like policymakers, practitioners, and communities. This term has strong roots in Canada, especially in the social sciences and humanities. Canada's big funding agencies, SSHRC, SHRC, NSERC, NSERC, and CIHR use the term, and SSHRC even requires researchers to include a knowledge mobilisation plan in their grant applications. What makes KMB stand out from terms like knowledge transfer or knowledge translation is that it's not just a one-way process. It's active, it's two-way, it's about making research useful and actionable. Think of it like this. Instead of mailing someone a book and hoping they read it, knowledge mobilisation is about sitting down with them and talking through how to apply what's inside the book. Here's a practical example. Imagine a researcher studying climate resilience with Indigenous communities. A knowledge mobilisation plan might involve co-creating the research with community leaders, holding workshops with policymakers, and sharing results through storytelling or social media. That way, the research doesn't just sit on the shelf, it drives real change. So if you remember just one thing, let it be this. Knowledge mobilisation is about putting research into motion, turning insight into impact. If you found this helpful, then please give it a share. And otherwise, you can find more episodes of Terminology Tuesday on our YouTube channel or more resources on impact on our website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.